Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. Now you can see this particular patient has come in to me feeling very blocked up in this particular ear. You can see straight away we've got a very, very narrow ear canal here. These ones can be very tricky to do. The reason being, you probably can't see it from the start of the video, but you may see it at some point. But without us even pulling or opening up the ear, it almost kind of looks like it's fully collapsed. So it almost looks like it's fully closed. So what we've got here is we need to use the camera and the suction tube to push against the entrance of the ear canal to open this up, to be able to get this wax out. So we are lucky here as well that this wax is relatively soft. And you can see all the sheen around this wax where the patient's been using some olive oil. Sorry for the slight blurriness of the camera, guys. It's one of those jobs where you're always going to have a little bit of oil on the camera where you're trying to hold this ear open. So we're just trying to hold the suction onto this piece of wax here. And as you can see, it's starting to just draw and roll itself down the ear canal. There we go, we've started, oh, it's just broken away. There we go, you can see how narrow this ear canal is without us pulling this open. It's almost completely closed up. Very, very slowly with these as well. You could see me just kind of going forwards and backwards there slightly. What I'm trying to do there is, we're almost trying to walk the wax down the ear canal. So I'm trying to get a little suction and then very gently try and walk this down. Any little wiggle now will start moving this plug very, very slowly towards the entrance of the ear. And there we go, we've removed another big plug there. So we're actually almost done. You could just about see the eardrum in the background there. I think we've got the fine end on here. This is the smaller of the two tubes that we use. Oh, do we get this all in one go? I'm going to say no. If you do like these videos, guys, don't forget to press the like button and press the subscribe button. If you're watching this on TikTok, again, just, press the heart button, share us around. Some of these longer videos as well, we've mentioned it on previous videos, but some of these longer videos do come in different parts on TikTok. But if you're not a fan of skipping between different parts, these videos are in full length on YouTube. So head over to there and you'll see hundreds and hundreds of these videos. So, you can just see now, this last bit is down in the anterior recess, which is basically right over the top of the eardrum. It's a slight sort of widening and a dip in the ear canal, which a lot of wax can sometimes get trapped in. They're always very, very tricky ones to do, these. Just purely because of how narrow the entrance of this ear canal is. A lot of the time, the ear canal will widen as you get past this opening. And the wax is usually too big to get through this gap. But we are lucky here. There's no need for us to use any Jobson horns or any curettage here. The reason I didn't use the curettage is we risk pushing this in further. And with the angles and the tightness of the ear canal, it's just going to be very, very tricky for us to do. So we are sticking with the suction here. We're almost done. We're almost done. This is the last piece here now, I believe. Oh, nice. You just see it starting to roll and just pop out of the ear canal. There we go. This is just going to be a little bit of a clean-up job here now. Eardrum's looking nice and healthy there. Just a little bit left near the entrance. Excuse me, guys. Almost lost my voice yesterday. There we go. Last little bits. Perfect. Eardrum in full view, nice and healthy. These last little bits that we're clearing up will naturally migrate by itself, so they'll start coming out of the ear by themselves. But yeah, eardrum looking nice and healthy. You can see that dip on of the anterior recess, that it's almost kind of blocking a part of the ear view of the eardrum. And this is the huge amount of wax that we managed to remove from this one ear canal. So we've got about 1.5 centimeters and half an inch. So yeah, quite a beastly wax removal. Well, thank you very much for watching the video, guys, and like I said, don't forget to give us a like, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.